Hello student, in this class we learn how to create chess knight in 3ds Max. It's a reference image of knight piece. First we create outline for this knight model and then we create this sketch by using connect tool and then apply surface modifier to generate a mesh on this. So let's start. First I reset this file. Now I choose line tool and create outline. Make sure the creation method is corner and bezier. Outline is completed and make little bit changes if needed. Now we start creating cage type shape. So first I choose refine tool and make sure the checkbox is selected because we are not creating points, we are creating connections. Choose refine tool. When you click on the point, make sure the vertex snapping is on. So if layout will display and click on the connect only. If you click on the refine tool, so it's create a point, but we need a connection. And then click another side and release this tool by the right click. So it's create a connection. Now create some more connections. Click on these lines. Then release with the right click. Now we create a loop like this. Now select all the vertices and then right click and click on the bezier corner of the vertex snapping tool and deselect all these vertices and select these vertices with the window selection like this and proper placing if required. There is no vertex, so right click and choose refine tool and create point for these lines and create a window selection and then fuse. No need to weld any vertices. Case type shape creation is complete. Now click on the modifier list and come on the bottom side and click on the surface modifier. Surface is created, but there is some problems. So first I click on the vertex and make sure this button is on. Show end result on off. The condition of the surface modifier is area should be covered by the 3-point minimum or maximum 4-point. But in this case there are 5 points. If you delete this point, so area will cover like this. Now create a window selection always and move little bit. Same as here, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 points. So you have to create a connections line. Here I go to refine tool and make sure its checkbox is selected and click on the snapping mode, connect only, and then release this tool with the right click. Same as here, I delete this extra point. Okay, surface creation is complete, but it look like a flat. Now we select these vertices and move in the negative x direction, so it look like thick. So first select these vertices from the front viewport. I press Ctrl key and then select one by one. So outline point is not selected. I just select in between area point. Now in the top viewport, I move in the Y direction like this. So it look more thick. Now you can select individual points with the window selection like this and change according to your requirement like this. And for this corner shape, select this shape and click on the this handle and move inside like this. Like this. So it's looked like this. Select this point. Okay, so you can edit these points like this. For creating some depth, so select these points one by one and move these tangent point inside like this. If point is not moving inside, so double click on this box, yellow color box like this. So it's create a sharp transition. Right click and choose Bezier corner if handle is not available there. Okay, so it's create a sharp line. Select these points and you can pull out little bit more. Okay, so this depth creation is complete. If needed, you can move these points little bit upside. If you want to create this shape in the other side, so click on the modifier list and select symmetry and click on the Z direction. And you can also expand this symmetry tool and click on the mirror to increase the distance. So symmetry is perfectly matched. If you want to create a bottom area like this, you can use lathe tool. I hope you learned how to create this night model in 3ds Max by using surface modifier. If you give little bit more time, you can improve the shape of this night model. Now we meet in the next class.